Hello YouTube. Sorry, I forgot I was recording. I got all into to doing what I was doing. Last time we let off, I was working on Crown Vic doing the exhaust system. Today we're gonna work on the hard body, the 1991 hard body, and I'm gonna give you an update on what I've done. That being said, let's go. Okay guys, so here, this is what the update is. I did the restoring on the frame, the axle, and the leaf springs, the drive shaft outside. I decided to go lower by taking out the other leaf springs off. I went ahead and went with the mono leaf spring, and I had to cut 3 degrees on the lower block to get the axle here level as possible. The block already comes with a 2-degree angle shim. So with the 2-degree angle and the 3-degree angle that I cut from the lower block, I have 5 degrees supposedly. When I did that, the bump stop was bumping, so I had to remove the bump stop and cut about 2.5 inches off the lower block. The bump stop. I still have the bump stop here present. And the only reason why I left the bump stop is for 2 reasons. My previous time that I did this, I ruined the frame of the truck. The frame actually cracked in half because the axle and the frame was constantly banging up against each other, and I ruined the back end of the truck. This time, I'm leaving the bump stop on here so I can eliminate that situation. For the most part, it still has some room to bounce, and I think it looks pretty good. While you watch the video, I'll go ahead and get some paint and touch up the frame and some highlighted areas where it didn't take real good. As you can see how low the truck is, it's actually 6 inches. That's a 4-inch, a 4x4 right there. It's actually 6 inches from the ground to the bottom of that shackle. It's coming along. Next thing to do is to go ahead and relocate the gas tank in the rear of the truck. I already cut some brackets for it. I will be doing the video for that. And of course I won't keep you guys guessing how I did that. I actually got the brackets to go ahead and weld. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and prep the metal right here on the sides, on both sides of the frame, and go ahead and weld the bracket. You will see me do that on the next video. I will keep you in the loop. I'll be doing a video on that. I'll be doing a video also installing the bed back in the truck and running the fuel line and all that great stuff that you guys don't want to miss. Like, you really want to see all that stuff. I don't think you want to. It's all self-explanatory in how to do it. But yep. That's your 91 Nissan pickup truck. The only thing left to do is to lower the front. Of course, it's all torsion bars. And as you can see, it's way up in the air. And that concludes my video for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. If you'd like to leave me a comment, please do so. Don't hesitate. Ask any questions you like about this truck. Be more than glad to answer all your questions. And once again, this is my garage.